So if you're a Shiba Inu holder and you are feeling exhausted right now with Shib in the crypto market, I get it. I'm a holder. I'm right there with you. And the difference is I understand what these times are trying to do. They're trying to break you. All right. There's a reason that most people do not make it in crypto. And 70% of people actually make these exact mistakes. And this is why we don't have tons and tons of millionaires running around. This is why people take advantage of opportunity and they see the extreme gains. And some people end up kicking themselves down the road. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So this is a struggle for most people that frankly haven't been here for a while. I've been here for a very long period of time now. I can stomach these dips like it's nothing. I've been through bear market cycles. I've been through major flash crashes in the crypto market. They don't shake me. I look for opportunity. I look to accumulate. A lot of my positions that I accumulated during this dip are in fact up. And it's because I see the bigger, broader picture. I have a more long-term perspective when it comes to Shiba Inu in the crypto market. Guys, most of my buys took place kind of right down in here. Yes, I did buy up in these ranges too, because I understand where adoption is headed in the crypto market. Now, that being said, Shib currently on this local trend, it's struggling to break out, as is everything in the crypto market. We're waiting for that sentiment push. We're waiting for that nice little surge to the upside. We're waiting for Shiba Inu again to break this 20-day moving average. Shib, like we talked about, is right now dropping a little bit out of this trend. Like we talked about, it may target 40157, 40158 in that range. But I wouldn't be surprised if we get into the week and we start to see a little bit of green. Ethereum whales have been buying pretty significantly. It looks like institutional money is starting to take advantage of some of these dips that are here. And so obviously something like Shiba Inu is going to love when these things do take place. But understand that these times are trying to break you right now. It's why most people don't make it. It's why there's not this just plethora of crypto millionaires out there. It's because right before the times get good, right before Shiba Inu does one of these, people sell. They think that times aren't going to get better. So actually, guys, this is documented. 70% of people lose money in crypto. First reason why: emotional decisions. If you're acting on emotion right now, if you're thinking that there's no light at the end of the tunnel when it comes to Shiba Inu, I don't know how you could think that, right? We have massive accumulation going on. We have holders on the rise. We have partnerships coming out. There are tons of good things right now. The last thing to follow is sentiment. Price is always the last thing to move, following the good news, the good fundamentals that Shiba Inu has had. Even as we've gone on this drop, fundamentals have been good. Okay. You can't argue it because it's numbers, it's data. The data has been good for Shiba Inu. Frankly, what is lacking in the crypto market right now is that positive sentiment, and it'll return. All right. Once there is enough game playing, once the market makers have felt like they've pushed things low enough, once they feel like they've picked up enough opportunity, the markets are going to send. Okay. Again, lack of risk management. Maybe you're overextended. Maybe you have thrown your rent money into an asset like Shib when you shouldn't have. Maybe you're in Shiba Inu only, which I went through last market cycle that way, very singular asset driven, and now I'm very diversified, so it doesn't sting as much, right? And this is the biggest one here: short-term goals. I think unfortunately, a lot of people, they have short-term expectations with Shiba Inu. They think that Shiba Inu from right here is going to run to a cent. Guys, that doesn't happen in days. It doesn't happen even in weeks. It takes time. Shiba Inu is a blue chip asset. It's not a get-rich-quick coin, okay? Can Shiba Inu make some pretty exciting moves in a short period of time? Sure. We saw Shiba Inu do a 4.5x over the course of 7 days. Now, what's great here for Shiba Inu is it can still move like that. We've had significant removal of supply. We have a longer term conviction when it comes to holders. Guys, believe it or not, this last time Shib did a 4.5x was almost a year ago. It's kind of crazy to think about how fast the time flies by in the crypto market. Maybe it seems like longer for some people, but understand that nothing that normally happens in the crypto market has really gone away per se. And what I mean by that is we're still heading into these times of adoption. We're still heading into these times of embrace. Mass adoption is going to be a huge thing for the crypto market. It hasn't really kicked off yet in this market cycle, but it's not like it's not coming. It's not like that switch, that faucet has just been turned off. It's trickling right now, but there's a moment where it's going to be open bigger and the prices are going to move faster and explosions are going to be more prevalent throughout the space, not even just Shiba Inu included, right? And this is the biggest thing I want to show people. I'm sure you guys have seen this meme before. This is where a lot of people are at right now. And yet there are people stepping in here that are accelerating at full speed towards making money in the crypto market. If you don't believe me, again, just look at what Shiba Inu holders are doing. I remember a point just weeks ago where we were talking about being at 1.46 million Shiba Inu holders. We're now at 1.503. We are continuing to push forward, push forward, push forward. Doesn't matter whether prices are dropping or rising. We are gaining traction in the crypto market. And the biggest thing you can do right now is if you are uncertain, if you are questioning your conviction, go outside, touch some grass, go play in the snow, do whatever you do. Take your mind off of the crypto market. Maybe you come for the content every day, and I appreciate if you guys would do, but I understand at the same time that some people need a mental break. Some people don't have that level of conviction, whether they're new or whether, again, they're overextended or too married to their assets, whatever it may be. What you need to do is do what is best for your portfolio, okay? And sometimes that means taking a step back, distracting yourself until the times actually get good. Set alerts on the charts. I have tons of them set. And what I will say is actually right now, I'm going to make some videos today. I know a lot of people have been asking about this. My indicator actually just said that there's a buy zone opportunity for Shiba Inu. And what's great about these buy zone opportunities, it depends on obviously the time frame, but a lot of times they precede some of these big surges to the upside in terms of price. It's not always perfect. We can see a couple on the drop down here. Obviously, we know the big liquidation event that took place, but you guys can see surge, right? That wasn't a good one. Surge, right? You guys get the point. It kind of depends on the time frame too. 4 hour actually tends to be pretty good, but know that things will improve in the crypto market. You may be questioning yourself now, but there's going to be some times in the near term that you're not questioning yourself at all. But as always, this isn't financial advice. Do what's right for you. Some people will make it in crypto. Most will not. So have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.